Clean an M3 with Expect car care. Shiny leather is dirty leather. Clean it to make it matte again. Clean your multimedia display and windows without leaving smears and streaks. Always start with your wheels. Spray blast on the visibly dirty areas for extra cleaning power. Before you touch your paint, make sure to pre-wash first. Create a lubricating barrier between your wash mitt and paint. Glow up ceramic spray coating to shine, protect, make your car water and dirt repellent for 2 to 3 months. You only need one pull of drying towel to dry your entire car without wringing it out or leaving streaks of water behind. Give your car the care it expects and